Philippines, Monday, December 23, 2024.
Ay, ano nga yun, ha? Ano yan, nabando na din?
Grabe. Ito ka naman kanya, pamilya pa dito.
Floods in Catarman, Northern Samar reached the roof on Monday, December 23, 2024, morning. The flooding was caused by continuous rains, caused by a tropical depression shear line, and the Romina trough.
Mamaya mabunggokit. Okay na.
In a video circulating in Barangay Cal, Igang, Catarman, Northern Samar, the flood in the area was seen reaching the roof of a resident's house, while other residents were holding onto the roof of their house. Residents said, "Let's just stay at home. When the water goes down we will evacuate."
Siyempre. Ay, gusto ka na hinihiling na bagyo yan. Gusto nagsisiling. Diyan. Ah!
Meanwhile, according to a PAGASA report, heavy rains of between 100 and 200 millimeters are expected to occur in Northern Samar today. In addition to Cal Igang, flooding also occurred in Puerto Princesa City, with water levels as high as the waist of adults in some houses in the city, forcing residents to evacuate.
Tanglay. Yung ulag yan. Magkano niya dito? Pero ay naman si Kon, diba? Ano lang yun?